In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set screen lock or auto lock time on an iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings and then scroll down until we find display and brightness. Once we get into it, and if we scroll down a bit, we'll be able to easily find that auto lock option, and if we get into it, we'll be able to configure it. We can set it from 30 seconds up to 5 minutes, and also we can switch it to never. I prefer to keep it about 3 minutes, however, you can choose any option from that list. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.